Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, welcome to the Forex Week in Review with the 28 majors and minors. I'm going to start off with the dollar index, and as we got an indicator on our table to short the dollar. So basically it's headed down with the overall point and figure target at 91.829 to the downside, which means that the correlations of any of the Forex pairs or even our US markets does have the potential to go up. So just think this in terms of correlations is positively correlated in green with a number that is close to 100. That currency pair will go with the DXY to the downside. If it's negatively correlated or negative 100 to that, it goes in the opposite direction or to the upside. Looking at Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we had an alert to the upside as far as overall target with a $511.44 profit on one standard lot. Still more momentum to the upside. And it is negatively correlated to the dollar. As the dollar goes down, this thing will go up. Euro Canadian dollar also had an alert to the upside. And as we can see here, it went to $1,412 on a one standard lot to the upside. No target for this actual pair going forward, but all momentum is to the upside. Euro Japanese yen also had an alert to the long side with a profit, and these are weekly buys. So if we get an alert here, we will look to buy on the open. So Euro Japanese yen with a profit of $263.73 on one standard lot. We have a point figure target of 158.804 to the upside. Euro New Zealand dollar, same thing. We had a profit of $1,198, one standard lot with an alert. No point figure target to the move to the upside. So it is not correlated with the overall dollar, but it is starting to move up on its own there. Momentum. Now, Euro US dollar, we have a negatively correlated, so this should also move up to the upside as the dollar declines. We had a $51 loss on an alert to the upside, so as you can see here, it was pretty much consolidating throughout this week. British pound Canadian dollar, looks like we got an alert to the upside and overall profit of $1,931.75 on one standard lot. So this is good news. We have a profit target of 1.88118 to the upside. Still some significant moves to the upside there. Majority of the British pound series started moving up. British pound Japanese yen, $622 on one standard lot with a nice alert to the upside. Overall point figure 177.201 to the upside. British pound New Zealand dollar also an alert to the upside with a profit of $1,689.73 to the upside. Target at 2.32467 to the upside. Euro Aussie dollar pretty much consolidating this week, but ended up with a profit at the end of $228 on one standard lot, calculating its point figure target for next week. Euro British pound, we had an overall alert and we had a $288 loss on one standard lot. We now have a point figure target to the downside at 0.78793. British pound Aussie dollar, overall alert to the upside with a $569 profit to the upside. Overall target at 1.88641. Our downward moving currency pairs, we have a short target. Point figure target is now calculating. As you can see, it's a little bit correlated with the overall dollar with a $288 profit on one standard lot. All the Swiss franc pairs pretty much were to the downside, correlated with the dollar. Overall profit of $1,131 on one standard lot. Overall target to the downside at 0.64211. Overall alert on Euro Swiss franc. We have a $234 profit on one standard lot. Overall target, though, is to the upside. It's at 1.06792 to the upside. However, it is correlated with the dollar and it is moving down with the dollar. British pound Swiss franc also in the same boat. Correlated with the dollar, overall short indice with a $58 loss. Overall target to the upside, though, at 1.24946. New Zealand Canadian dollar, also an alert Overall loss of $121 in one standard lot. No point figure target right now. Zealand Swiss franc. Overall target of 0.4864 to the downside. Overall alert with $816 profit on one standard lot. Zealand Japanese yen. Overall alert for the target to the downside. Profit on this weekly trade at $532 on one standard lot. Overall target at 68.455 to the downside. Zealand US dollar. Overall alert with a $705 profit on one standard lot with a point figure target of 0.54989 to the downside. US dollar pairs also following in suit. US dollar Swiss franc also kind of turning over, highly correlated with the US dollar. As it moves down, the dollar moves down, this currency pair will also move down. Alert to the downside with an overall profit of 181.04. New point figure target is calculating. These are the ones that were currently moving without an alert to it, but as you can see here, highly negatively correlated to the US dollar, which means as the dollar goes down, this thing will go up. But no alert to the long side in terms of actual overall alert. Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, same thing. No overall alert, so no overall trade. We have a point figure to the downside, yet it was going up. So it's good that the table keeps us out of these kind of whipsaw trades going back and forward. No overall alert. We do have a target of 94.945 to the upside for Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. There was no alert to the buy side on the open. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, we had a tick error here, so it did go up, and as you can see here, we need to look at the data for Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. It did not kick off an alert, kept me out of the trade. Aussie dollar, US dollar, negatively correlated, should have been going up to the upside, but as you can see, no alert, no trade. Same thing with Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, no alert, no trade. We do have a profit target of 103.878 to the upside. And US dollar, Canadian dollar, highly correlated with the dollar. However, this one went up and did not signal an alert to get into the market at this point. So it kept me out of this chop. US dollar, Japanese yen, same thing, no alert. We do have a target to the upside at 140.443, but no alert to the upside. So that's all I have for the Forex week in review. Nice overall profit of $11,799.10 on a one standard lot trade for these alerted indices. If you're interested in these kind of strategies going forward or programming in both PineScript or Python to automate your strategies, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.